Hi, I'm Franz. Welcome to my channel, and today I'll show you why sometimes you cannot save PNG file in Photoshop and how to fix this problem. Okay, the first reason why you cannot save the PNG file can be because you're working in new version of Photoshop which doesn't save PNG, neither JPEG files. Let's see, save as. And in a list of types of formats, you cannot see PNG, you cannot see JPEG. Okay, in this case, you have to save a copy. You have to click Save a Copy here or here. And then, when you open the format types, you can see much bigger list and you can see PNG and save as PNG. Okay, and the second reason why your Photoshop doesn't want to save your file like PNG is because you was working with a file and you forgot to change your image mode into RGB color. In my case, it's still lab color like that, but not RGB. Let's click on RGB, and now save as, copy, and you see in a list formats is PNG, there is a JPEG too, and that's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!